but ultimately cooking at home will be part of saving the world, in my opinion. So when I talk to my readers, and it's really a conversation for me, is my tools are all the ones that you've described, but also a lot of stories. A story fixes something in the memory of someone. For example, when I teach risotto, I always tell people the story of how I realized that rice could be good, actually, not just hospital food. I mean, in Italy, it's a little hospital food, I don't know. When I saw my brother cooking a risotto for the first time because he was trying to woo some girl, so I realized that rice could actually be a love potion. I tell this story, and all of a sudden, everybody becomes a master in risotto because they're really interested in what I'm teaching. Like Jessie was saying, bringing your voice, bringing your humor, bringing your story. And also, one of the most important tools for me is thinking of senses. When I write recipes, I spend a lot of time with my eyes closed, imagining myself by the stove and imagining what happens to my body as I'm standing by the stove, and all the different phases of the recipe. And then I try to put that down on the page.